हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल लिव लाइफ विद जया। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? उम्मीद करती हूँ अच्छे होंगे, मज़े में होंगे। मैं यहाँ फिट एंड फाइन हूँ। सो आज हमारे यहाँ मॉर्निंग है और मैं एक बहुत ही हेल्दी ब्रेकफास्ट बनाने वाली थी। सो मैंने सोचा कि मैं आपके साथ इसको शेयर करती हूँ। सो मे बी इट मे ऑल्सो हेल्प यू to prepare a instant quick breakfast, or the actual time which it takes us to only prep it, सिर्फ प्रिपरेशन में टाइम लगता है। उसके बाद अगर आप इसको अवन में डाल दें तो क्या कहते हैं, इट्स वेरी इजी। फिर तो वो अपना अवन में अपने हिसाब से बेक होगा। तो इसको बनाने के लिए मैंने क्या क्या प्रिपरेशन किए हुए हैं वो मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ। सो मैं दिखा दूँ कि यहाँ मैंने कुछ वेजीज चॉप किए हुए हैं। दिस इज़ चॉप्ड कोरिएंडर लीव्स, दीज आर चॉप्ड ग्रीन कैप्सिकम, and these are chopped onion. This is green chili. So actually we are making egg muffin, veggie egg muffin. So this is very easy. You can even give to your kids tiffin box. तो अगर आप kids के लिए कर रहे हैं then maybe you can skip the green chili part. I'm making for only me and my husband, so I'm going to add green chilies into it. These are my veggies preparation. And here I have prepared my muffin tray. I have just lined up with some cupcake liners, and I'm going to bit grease it with oil, or I will require some eggs here. So ये भी यहाँ मैंने ready करके रखा हुआ है. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. So first I'm going to break my eggs. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe 4 is sufficient. So into this now I'm going to, so I'll just whisk it up. So total I have added 4 eggs. So it totally depends upon the quantity, how much you want. Maybe I can add another one. So total I am adding 5 eggs. And into this I'm going to add salt according to taste. Then I will add a dash of black pepper into it. I'm going to add some mixed herbs. And then I'm going to add some cheese on top of my batter. Some I'm mixing some right now, and some I will add on my on top of my muffins later. I'm going to whisk everything nicely. I'm going to add some veggies into it. So I'm going to add I'll add some chopped green chilies, then onions, capsicum. So I'm going to give everything a good mix. So in original recipe, they asked to add a tablespoon of all-purpose flour, but I'm not going to add that. So what I am thinking today, that maybe I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Just see what will happen. So I added 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs into it to give the texture. And to whisk everything nicely. Now I'm going to transfer this whole mixture into my prepared muffin tins. Just mix them nicely. And with my normal serving spoon, nothing fancy, I'm going to transfer this batter into my muffin tins. So So I think with this batter, I'm going to have 6 muffins. So I have transferred my batter into my prepared muffin tins, and now I'm going to bake this at 350 Fahrenheit for at least 30 minutes. But I will keep an eye on it. So right now it goes into the oven for at least 30 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. So my egg muffins are completely done, and I'm going to take it out from my oven. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. Something like this. So let me see. So it took me around 30 minutes to bake, as I said earlier. So it's something like this. It's very hot right now. So what I'm going to do, yeah, it's perfectly fine. So this one is my egg muffin. It's nicely baked, and I have kept it like this only, but if you want, you can add lots of veggies into it. You can even shred some carrot. You know how you can feed some vegetable to your kids, but I have just kept it simple. I have added some, even you can add some cherry tomatoes into it. You can top it with some cheese. I didn't did that fancy today. So this is all what I made for my breakfast, and hope you enjoyed it. And till that time, bye bye, take care, and please do subscribe my channel. Bye. So I'm going to show you how perfectly it is baked, and they're looking so tempting. Just give it a thumbs up, guys.